Kyiv Zoo Part 3 Island of Animal. This is big building, covered building, roof building, and around it there are open air, open pavilion for animals like tigers, lions, wolves, and so on. So I was lucky because it was daytime and I did short movie about a live tiger because usually, if you know cats, at daytime they are sleeping somewhere in the bushes, but as it was daytime, this tiger decided to walk a little bit, so I caught him. Gorilla, this is summer pavilion. But I tried to catch him, but lately I found this person, this maid inside winter pavilion. He had lunch, I think, some fruits, parrots, grapes, and other things. Lately he gathered some pieces of the fruits in his hand and decided to continue to have a rest on this rock basement. There was short inscription that the age of this gorilla is 47, and with reference to human age is like 80. So it's grandfather, and the administration will ask visitors don't disturb him because he's really old man. Yeah, well, this is the central entrance to this pavilion, Island of Animal, and this is just in the center some piece of tropical forest and some pools with fishes, with crocodiles. This is a winter pavilion for lions, but now there are in summer one. And those short photos and movies about snakes, which visitors can see here because the collection is rather rich. Sorry. It's very interesting chameleon, if you know, especially his eyes, because the vision of them is 180 degrees. Yeah. Paraguayan anaconda. In nature, this snake can be around in length 12 meters, but in zoos they're mostly very small, maybe 1 meter maximum. Also, pythons in zoo, they are very small, I mean very small samples. The pavilion of crocodiles is required to be some renovation, at least to clean windows, because as you see the windows are very dirty. I don't know how long ago the windows had been cleaned how many years. But okay, this caiman, I don't know how to pronounce right. These windows are more or less clear, and you can observe this sample and very close, especially his teeth. He doesn't clean his teeth, and he doesn't use brushes and toothpaste, but how his teeth are so white, I don't know. It's pavilion of African lions, and his pride usually is sleeping somewhere in this basement, rock basement. Some stones, Jurassic Park, with well-known figures from some cartoon, yes, and observation wheel, some I don't know, special car which is traveling with children, traveling around the zoo with children, European cat, wild cat. Next, some small cell with raccoons. This is generally near the end, near the exit from the zoo. Yeah. And also maybe 50 meters before entrance of the zoo, there is some fountain with famous figures from cartoon. I think you know these heroes, origin of these heroes. So welcome to the Kyiv.